Hi guys, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Daddy.
Yeah, for today's vlog, ipapasyal namin kayo sa school nila Casper, ni Casper. Ni Caius, tsaka ni Chloe, si Chloe. Wow. See you later. Come on.
Yay!
Yay.
Brother.
Good morning.
How are you guys doing?
Thank you.
You got your hands full. I love you.
So, pagdating dito, sa sign-in tayo. Yan. Para sa attendance ni Chloe at Caius. Close. And then, syempre, may code. Para makapasok.
Brother, come on.
I'm coming.
Ready?
Come on, Caius. Where's Chloe's bag? Chloe's bag. Ito ang room ni Chloe. Later, dito sila mag-room, okay? For the meantime, punta muna tayo sa room naman ni Caius. Caius, kadami kasing anak ni Chatterin. Daming anak ni Chatterin. Dito rin nagwo-work si Mrs. Ito siya, oh. Si Mrs. Ayan, dyan nagwo-work si Mrs. Mami. Okay. Come on, guys. Yeah? Come on. Isa sa employee dito.
Mommy.
Mrs. Mami.
This is Mommy.
Go, guys. Then we're going upstairs para sa room ni Caius. Upstairs. Ayan. Guys, come. Ito yung room ni Casper. Kinder to Caius. Come on, Caius. Yes. Ayan. Pagdating dito, ilalagay ni Caius yung bag niya. And getting his bottle. Don't forget your bottle. Do you have your hat? No. Forgot your hat. Yeah? No hat. It's okay. Close it. Just close it. Yes. Yan, ito yung room ni Caius. Later, dito sila mag-room. Yes? Yes? Okay, go. Come on. And then, pagka kasi wala pa, pag hindi pa tayo ng school nila, meron muna silang room. Magsasama-sama muna sila. Doon natin sila ihatid sa toddler's room. Good morning. Hi. Good. Hello. Hi, how are you? Good morning. Hi. Yeah, thank you. Wow.
Should we get some breakfast? Should we get some breakfast?
Bye, Chloe.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye. Bye. See you later, okay? Be a good boy, okay? Bye. And that is our vlog for today. My cameraman. Okay.
Okay, let's go.